Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to shuffle questions on Google Forms. So say you have a list of questions which you've already arranged and you want to shuffle them to fit your need. So all you need to do is to go over to the question, and at the top area here in the center you have a grabber here. So when you take it over there, your cursor will change in shape, and this means that you can drag it and shuffle it as you wish. So you could take this and take it up if you want, make it the first. We're just doing this to show you how you can do it. And you could take this to go down or to the last as you wish. And you could also bring this here, take it up. And as you can see, we've just shuffled our Google Form questions. So you can shuffle any question as you desire. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us. So feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.